This is the Ryobi 40-volt power head and straight shaft trimmer attachment. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. Now the power head attachment comes with battery as well as charge unit. The power head attachment has a drive shaft that lets you connect other attachments, whether it be the straight shaft trimmer or the edger. You install the handle on the power head side. It just fits on the shaft, like so. Then you feed the bolt through, large washer, lock nut, wing nut. It's a wing nut, so you won't need a wrench to adjust it. And then tighten it down. The handle goes up and the trigger goes down. The number one question I get asked about the 40 volt is the 40 volt compatible with the 18 volt? The two are nothing alike. They will not fit. Plus, you wouldn't have the power that you need to power a 40 volt with an 18 volt, even if you did kind of retrofit it. You can see that's just not going to work. Ryobi made huge advances in not only the power, but also I like the fact that there's a charge indicator. Slide that in the charger and pull the tab to release. Anytime I'm attaching an attachment to the power head, I like to make it a habit to remove the power supply. Now we're going to assemble the straight shaft string trimmer. The screw is already in the unit and it goes on like so. What I like about the detachable attachment is the fact that I can just carry this around and reload my string without having to balance the motor. Loosen the tightening knob, depress the button, and work until it clicks. This way you know that the shaft is lined up with the shaft in the attachment. And then tighten it down. It is not keyed, so if you wanted to, you could actually turn this for edging. Now that it's all together, we're ready to install the battery. It's a little loud at first. All right, let's try it out. As I mentioned, with the Ryobi 40 volt power head, there are lots of attachments that you can add on. So now that we're done with the string trimmer, it's time to edge. Remove that and slap on the attachment. To see how to load the Ryobi string trimmer, click the image on the screen now.